A coordination committee of all partners of the MDA government was held today, the 12th of May 2022, where the Chief Minister of the state had presided over the meeting. A discussion on issues of concerns had taken place and a means to make a way forward on such issues was also sought for.
So basically, this is a normal MDA coordination meeting which we try to have whenever possible. The idea is to really bring the legislatures and also the party leaders together so that we can share and discuss about issues that are there. So many issues were discussed. I'm sure the other members of the coordination committee must have already shared with you the different issues and concerns. So basically they had some concerns about the border issues, so we had given them clarifications on the border. Then they had concerns about some of the issues of education, about the CUET and other things. So while we were in the meeting, the letter from Dharmendra Pradhanji also came in, so it was a good timing for us in one way. And where Dharmendra Pradhanji has specifically mentioned that the other colleges can continue their admissions on the basis of how they used to do before, which means that CUT will not have to be taken. Apart from that, there were other concerns that were being raised by them, which we tried to address, and so that was it. So as I said, it's a regular meeting in which we try to have it every now and then. So that's only the coordination committee.
On the new roster system for recruitment in all government departments, Conrad Sangma informed that the state government has to complete the entire process of implementing the roster system and will also have to provide details of appointment made since the time the policy or the cadre came into force.
So basically it's a very simple point. The point is that the government will have to complete the entire process of actually implementing the roster system and giving the whole details of the appointments that were made, from the point in time where the policy came in or from the point in time where the cadre came into existence. So those details will have to be worked out by each of the departments. And as and when each department does it, then they can go ahead with the recruitment, they can go ahead with the appointments. So it's not that it's going to go back to court. So court has given instructions that every department will have to ensure that the roster system is applied. So if there's a department that can do it by tomorrow, they can start appointing tomorrow itself. A department, particular bigger department, having much more numbers and a long history, may require a week, 10 days, or maybe a month. So as soon as they finish their own internal exercise, they can go ahead with the appointments. So that's what